As the world's appetite for energy increases, securing adequate supply is the real challenge. Renewable energy is part of the solution, but the efficient production of fossil fuel is just as important and will be indispensable for decades to come. Today, there are more than 50,000 oil and gas fields in operation worldwide, which serve 55% of the global energy demand. The Linde Group draws on its leading industrial gases, engineering and technology expertise to enable the efficient recovery of oil, condensate and natural gas. Depending on a reservoir's specific conditions, primary recovery only produces about 15% of the original oil in place on average. To improve this recovery factor, pressure maintenance of the reservoir is key. The injection of water or gas in secondary recovery, also known as improved oil recovery, can increase the recovery factor up to 35%. Industrial gases such as carbon dioxide and nitrogen can be effectively applied in tertiary recovery, also known as enhanced oil and gas recovery, which can increase the recovery factor to as high as 70%. The use of both carbon dioxide and nitrogen is widely accepted as proven and continues to be applied with great success. Where do these gases come from? Carbon dioxide is produced from natural gas fields, chemical complexes, refineries, and power plants. Linde has experience in all major carbon capture technologies. Ambient air consists of 78% nitrogen, which makes it available anywhere and at any time. Nitrogen is separated from the air by air separation plants using a cryogenic process. To date, Linde has built more than 2,800 air separation plants, more than any other company in the world. The compressed air is first filtered, pre-cooled, and then purified by absorption. Next, the air is cooled to a liquefaction temperature of -182 degrees Celsius in cold boxes, a core component of the cryogenic process. After that, the rectification column separates nitrogen from the rest of the air. The final product, nitrogen, is compressed in the last step. Then, it can be pipelined to oil, gas, or condensate fields. Backed by outstanding engineering and operations expertise, Linde has the capability to design, build, own, and operate nitrogen supply facilities at any scale, from as little as 1 ton to tens of thousands of tons per day. Today, Linde is an established partner to oil and gas companies supplying nitrogen to the world's largest improved oil and enhanced gas recovery projects. The joint venture Elixir between Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, ADNOC, and Linde provides nitrogen for the pressure maintenance of ADNOC's condensate fields at Habshan, Abu Dhabi. Linde implemented a customized on-site solution delivering the highest levels of quality and reliability while complying with the strictest safety standards and achieving an impeccable safety record of 0 accidents. Commissioned in 2011, the plant delivers 20,000 tons of nitrogen per day, which is equivalent to 600 million standard cubic feet. To improve oil recovery for Mexico's national oil company Pemex, Linde built the largest multi-train nitrogen production complex in the world. Cantarell, one of the world's largest oil fields, is offshore in the Gulf of Mexico. The air separation plant generates 50,000 tons of nitrogen per day, which is equivalent to 1.5 billion standard cubic feet with less than 10 parts per million oxygen, and delivers this gas through an onshore and a 100-kilometer subsea pipeline at 130 bar. Built within a nature preserve, this facility uses natural gas to generate its own power, seawater for cooling, and even potable water. It is self-sufficient for operations and many maintenance tasks. Linde has established true leadership in operational excellence and guarantees the highest standards in reliability, quality, and safety for the oil and gas industry. As a one-stop shop, Linde provides customized solutions. Linde is proud to have achieved reliable gas supply at the highest level for decades, offering integrated solutions at customer locations around the world.